Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. And we are looking at Cabo Rico from Standard of Excellence Book 1, and this is a band arrangement, so this is going to be a background part. Parts are going to be, they're going to be multi-measure rests, things along those lines. And I will be doing it at 112, and then the next time I'll drop it down a little bit. You want to keep light with your articulations. It's really easy to slow down and drag a little bit on that. And here we go. Two, three. Alright, and now we're going to drop that down. Let's take it down to 96. Alright, here we are in the next section. And I decided to do it at 90 instead of at 96. If you're listening to this video, up to tempo is probably not where you're at yet. Something a little slower to lock in the notes and the style. And here we go. 2, 3. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.